trying like hell to make love work. And the devil knocking at the door. Our temptations, addictions, the devil's pour. I tried and I tried to keep them away. And somehow my damn old devil managed to get into our lives. Time after time I sat beside you, helping you get rid of the devil inside of you. Hoping like hell the other you would be back, and I would be there with you. A new beginning, clean life to say the least. Had I known it was a battle I couldn't win, I would have never attempted to fight the devil on my own. Oh, it's a shame knowing that we made it through so much life's hell, living on a little bit of love, fighting for a new beginning, fighting the devil away. Oh, if I would have known it was a losing battle, would have never fought the devil on my own. Watched you with your unfaithful ways. I forgave you for breaking my heart, and you forgave